Class 12th Applied Mathematics Practical 2. So for that we'll click on Start and we'll click then on Excel logo, and from here we'll click on New. So we can see that the cell size are small, so we can increase the cell size. Just take the first cell and drag it downwards. So here I have taken till 200, and then increase the font size. So I am putting the font size to 16, and you can see that all the cells size have increased. Now what we'll do is merge some of the cells so that we can write down the heading of practical 2. So click on merge and center, and here we'll write down our heading. So practical 2 is scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication of a matrix. So this is our heading. So first thing what we'll do is select this one and make the size to 16, and then we'll make it bold. So here we have done that, and then let me select again this one, and then we'll color it. So we'll go on this rhombus shape, fill color. In this suppose I fill the color say yellow, so just click on this yellow color and you see that it has been filled up yellow. Now next let us write down the scalar here. So scalar I am writing here, and say scalar I am taking the number which will multiply the matrix, let it be say 3, and here I am writing the matrix A. So I will take two cells and merge them so that I can write here matrix A. So matrix A, and here I will write the matrix which will obtain when we multiply the scalar with matrix A. So that is scalar being multiplied with the matrix A. So scalar is 3 and matrix the matrix which we are having is A. So we'll get matrix 3A. So matrix 3A. So this is our matrix 3A, and I think we have not merged it, so let's click on merge and center. So here it is merge and center. Now next thing what we are going to do is just select this. We'll take matrix of order 3 cross 3, so that will be 9 elements. So here let me write any number. Suppose I write 3, then say 2, then let me write 1, and here 0, and then say minus 2. Here I will take minus 3, and then 2 again, 4 and 5. So this is our matrix A. Now we'll write here matrix 3A. So for that what we'll do is the order of matrix 3A will be same as that of matrix A. So the order of matrix A is 3 cross 3. So the order of matrix 3A will be also of order 3 cross 3. So just selecting the 9 cells so that we can get the order of 3 cross 3. Then we'll write here equal to. So do not forget to write equal to. Then click on the cell where the scalar quantity is there. So that is 3. So click on that cell. So here we are having E9. Then for multiplication we are always putting star. So put star, and the next step select the whole matrix A. So this is our matrix A. And after that what we have to do is press Ctrl Shift and enter, all three together. Ctrl Shift enter. So this is our matrix 3A. Now let us check if it is correct or not. 3 we know when we multiply any scalar with matrix it will multiply with all the elements. So here we can see that 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 1 is 3. Then second row if we multiply with 3 we should get 3 into 0 is 0, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, that is there. Then 3 into minus 3 minus 9, it is also correct. Then 3 into 2 6, 3 into 4 is 12, and 3 into 5 is 15. So all the entries are correct. Now what we'll do is we'll just select all of these and increase the font size to say 16, and now also let me make all of the letters as, or the numbers as bold. So clicking on B. Now we'll do some decoration part. So this scalar is we can see that this will increase the size, and rest is all okay. So here also we can merge this matrix 3A because it will look more better. and clicking on merge and center. So now next, let us first fill the scalar with some color. So color I am going to put is green. And the second one, any other color of your choice. So suppose I put this light orange color, and matrix 3A, that will color with some other color, say blue color. Then let us color this scalar 3 light black, and then the whole matrix A, that will say here. So selecting the whole, so any color, suppose this color, you can see that somewhat very light orange type, and then we'll select matrix 3A, that also we put any color. So for that we'll go in more colors, and from here say let us click on this very light shaded green. So this is what we are having here. So we have colored our all whatever matrix A we are having, matrix 3 and scalar, so it looks nice. Now let us take one more example. Suppose this time we take the scalar as say 1 by 2. So and let us take the matrix, say I write here matrix B. So let me drag this one downwards. So here you can see that we are giving as we are getting here 1 February, 2 February. Also this we have written 1 by 2. It is not 1 by 2. It is beginning 1st of February. Let us first delete this one, and this has in fact become 2 cells. So let us make it back to 1. And now what we'll do, we'll just drag this one downwards here. So here we'll write 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So again you can see that it has become 1st February. So that we'll see later on what to be done for that one. So here we'll write down the heading. Suppose we'll just select the 3 cells and merge and center. In that we'll write matrix. So matrix, say let me write matrix P. So this matrix B, and making the size to 16, and I think it has not become 16. So again select it and make the size to 16. Now is 16 and make it bold, and then next click outside and then click here again, so that we can color it. And color we can give any, suppose let me put this very light blue type. And also here let us go back in our matrix A, so extend that one and merge and center. So you can see that. So both matrix A and matrix B look in the same type. So next what we'll do is write some elements for matrix B. Let us take that as a 3 cross 3. So here I am taking say 2 and say 4, then say 5, then 3, 7, minus 3, and here let me take say 2, 0, and finally say 5. So this size also I will increase. So increase the size to 16 and making them bold. Now the only problem is here, that of 1st February. So let me drag this one cell downwards. For that again click on this on the corner, or you can click here at the corner, anywhere you can click. So once you click it, you have to drag it down. So here we'll just click on and drag it down. So we have got it here. So instead of half, we are getting 1 February. It is considering that as a date. What we'll do is click on this cell again, then go to, so many options are there, go to format cells, click on format cells, and here you will see that number, alignment, font, border, fill, protection. So it is already in number. Suppose it is not a number, click on that one. So then click on fraction, because we need fraction. So click on fraction, and what we require is 1 by 2 should be as half. So click on halves, then OK. Now you see that it is 4428. What you do is then just click this one and delete that. So after deleting, rewrite here 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and now it will be considered as 1 by 2 only. You can see that. So just let us increase the size to 16 and make it bold, and let us do some coloring of this one. So because I have clicked it, when we clicked on fill, it will fill the same color which we have used the last time. So just going to change that one. You can use that color also. So I am using this orange type, bright orange, and then also I will select this whole, color it to say some color. Here I will take, say, this very light pink type. So here we have got. Now we'll write matrix B by 2. For that we'll select these 3 cells and click on merge and center. So next let us write here matrix B by 2, matrix B by 2. So that is what we have written. And then next what we'll do is we'll make it bold. So we have made bold, and then let us color it. So for that just click outside, and here let us move back on this one and click on any color we want. Suppose let me click on this any color, so this blue will do. So matrix B by 2 we have written, and also let me make this bold. So we have made this bold. Now we'll select here 9 cells. Why 9 cells? Because the order of matrix B and matrix B by 2 should be same. So order of matrix B is 3 cross 3, so the order of matrix B by 2 should be also 3 cross 3, that is there should be 9 elements. So now we'll write down the elements of matrix B by 2. For that what we'll do here, click equal to, and then click on the scalar quantity, that is half, the cell where half is written. Then click on star, because star stands for multiplication. Then we'll select the whole matrix B. So matrix B has been selected, and then press Ctrl Shift Enter, all 3 together. Ctrl Shift Enter, all 3 together. So this is the matrix which we have got, that is matrix B by 2. So let us check whether this is correct or not. So half into 2, that is 1, is correct. Half into 4, 2. Half into 5, 2.5, that is correct. First row is correct. So half into 3, 1.5. Half into 7, 3.5. Half into minus 3, minus 1.5. So row 2 is also correct. Now for row 3, half into 1, 1. Half into 0, 0. Half into 2.5, sorry, half into 5, that is 2.5. Yes, it's correct. So that means we have got matrix B by 2 as correct. So the answer which you have got after multiplying the scalar with matrix B, that is correct. Next what we'll do is increase the font size, so making it to 16 and make it bold, and then also coloring it. So click on this one, and let us go on more fill. So here we can take any color. Suppose I take this color, click on OK. So this is what is our matrix B by 2. So with this our practical 2, that is scalar multiplication of matrix, is complete.